Thinking about buying and selling, but worried that if you sell first, you won't be able to find a replacement property and you'll be homeless? Well, that's understandable, especially if you have a family. But I've got good news for you. There are many solutions for selling your home and finding a replacement home, even with limited inventory here in the East Bay area of San Francisco. Hi, I'm Tanja Odzak, eXp Realty, and I help people sell and buy homes right here in the East Bay. I've helped many sellers just like you navigate through this, and here are a couple of options. First, there are contingencies on your behalf that we can put in place to protect you from this. For instance, I can sell your home to a buyer contingent upon you finding a home within a certain time. This way, we can secure a buyer and you have a set amount of time to find the home of your dreams. If you don't, you can ask for more time or cancel the contract. Second, you can take out a HELOC or get a bridge loan and go shopping first. The downside to a HELOC is they can be tough to get and affect your purchasing power. The bridge loan is great for anyone, but especially for retired folks who can no longer qualify for a loan because it's based on your home equity. That way you can get a loan first and buy and then sell right afterwards. These loans, however, can be quite costly, so understand the numbers up front. Hire an agent who thinks out of the box and has solutions. So call me so I can educate you and help you make a great decision for your specific situation. Even if you're just curious or you want to strategize scenarios, let's talk. I'm a seasoned East Bay expert with a 5-star rating. I'll help you navigate the market and make it happen, whether that's selling or buying or both. And ask me about my home selling plans. I took the pain out of negotiating with a realtor and made it super simple. Really, choose silver, gold, or platinum, pick your plan, and pick your price. Terms do apply. I'm Tanja, and I sell homes. Let's get you going. Call me today.